Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can get the best NVIDIA settings for Fortnite to boost your FPS and performance. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply update your graphic drivers on the official NVIDIA website to make sure that everything works smoothly on your computer. And from there, we are now ready to head over to the NVIDIA control panel. Just right click on your desktop, click on NVIDIA control panel, and we are now taken to this page right here. Simply inside, you then want to click on the adjust image settings with a preview, and from here you then want to simply select the performance option. Now this will go ahead and lower down the quality of your games including Fortnite, but it will simply produce more frames than using the quality option right here. Or if you want to go ahead and be at the middle, you can just simply select the middle one, which is going to be balanced. But if you want to get the best FPS and performance, you can then select the performance option. From there, you then want to navigate through the 3D or manage 3D settings, and then you can copy out all of my settings right here for the image scaling, ambient occlusion, anisotropic filtering, and more. So you can just slow down the video as I scroll down through these settings right here. And lastly, if you still want to get the best or get more FPS on your games, you can try lowering down your resolution. This will go ahead and enable the computer to simply produce lesser pixels on our game, enabling us to get more FPS on our games like Fortnite. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.